Next question, question number 2. A kubeconfig file called need to check config has been created in present directory. Check what is wrong with the configuration and fix it. So you got this interesting file in your directory, need to check config, and it is actually a config file which lets you connect to the cluster. So for any of your customer who is giving you access to their cluster, you need to use config file, and that is actually a credential file. So gconfig view is one way of checking your currently running config information without the keys, the values that you don't really have to see. But in this particular file, we are going to have some configuration as well. So there is another command. Let me just go on top of the screen and g cluster info. If I run this command and then I specify kubeconfig and my file, then I should be able to see, or you can say this is one way of checking the file, what exactly the configuration is, whether it is a right file or not. This is the right command to check your config file. So we will see after correcting the file and before correcting the file. As you can see, it is able to identify that there is something wrong with this particular file, unable to connect to the server. Dial TCP connect EX, no connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. So as you can see, on this particular port, it refused it. So we have multiple ways to check this. One way I already have shown you, gconfig view. If you run this, you can see the right connection information there. As you can see, the port that is right, it is 6443, whereas in this file it is 3219. So without even going inside the file, you have found the issue. Now just go inside, need to check and fix this particular issue. My port is 6443. So I'm going to change it. Now again, if you see 6443. And if you want to check this particular file now, after correcting the issue, you get clean access to your cluster. So this is how you can fix such problems. I hope this is informative.